Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about built-in functions. So there are many built-in functions in Python, but we will learn few of them, at least 15 of them, which are used regularly. So the first one is the print, and we know about print that in this function if we give any value it will print as it is. So this is the print. Now the input function takes the input from the user. Like this. If I run this command, it will say and show the output. Now the type function. Type is like if a is equal to 5, type will show what kind of value a holds, whether it's int, float, decimal, bool, etc. So when I run this, it will show int type. Now if I change this value to 5.5, now if I run this, it will say it is a float. So this is the type function and its use. Now we will learn about int, float, all that kinds of functions. So for int function, if I provide a value inside of it 5.5, it will print its integer number. If I put a float and pass a value to it, it will show me a floating point number. Absolute is modulus function where it shows the mod of that particular number. So if we type abs minus 5, it will show the absolute value of it as 5, because in mod minus sign gets removed. Pow is the power function where we provide a value like 2 to the power 3. It will show 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Or we can also try number, first the number and its raised to the power. So it will show us as 64 the value. So min and max. In min and max, it gives the minimum of the value or the maximum of the value. Suppose there is a list 1, 2, 3, 4, and I say minimum of this list. It will show me 1 as the minimum. If I put a max over here, it will show me the maximum of this list, that is 4. Now the round function. In round function, it round the value to the nearest integer. Like suppose if I say c is equal to 22 by 7 and I want to round off c to 3 decimal places, it will round the off number to 3 decimal places, as you can say 3.143. And if I don't pass anything, it will round to the nearest integer like 3. Now div mode will show the floor division 4, 2, the floor division and modulus of the number 4, 3. So it will show both result in a tuple form. 4 division 3, 1, 1 is the tuple. So quotient is 1 when 4 is divided by 3, and remainder is also 1 when 4 is divided by 3. If I put here 5, it will change and it will show floor division as 1 and remainder, that is 2, as you can see here. Now if we want to convert some value to binary form, we use binary function like 5. So it will show me the binary value of it 101, and if I put oct, it will show me octa value of the 5, and if I put hex, it will show me the value of hexadecimal. So this is the now another function is id. If id holds the memory address, if a is equal to 4, then id will hold the memory address of it, at which location this a is in the memory. So it will show the number. This is the location where it is stored. Now comes the ORD function. ORD function gives us the ASCII code of the provided Unicode character. Suppose if I run it, it will show me 97 as the ASCII code of it. If I present C, it will show me the ASCII code of it. Length function is generally defined by the length of the any list, tuple, sets or dictionary. Also it also shows the length of string also. So as soon as I run it, it will show me the 5 because it has contained 5 values inside of it. Another way length can be used in strings also. So if I press this and run, so Kolkata has 7 characters in it, that's why it is showing 7. And some function adds all number and give the sum of it. And last but not the least is the help function. So help shows the documentation of particular function or built-in. It will show the documentation of the function or the or the or the list of it. As you press play, it will show the entire documentation of the list data type. Now if I put here some function, it will show me the documentation of some function itself. So it will show me the sum function. So this is how help function helps us. So that's all for this video. We will learn built-in modules in next session.